Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel English. So, if you are watching for the first time, I hope you have subscribed the channel, and if you have not yet joined the Telegram group, you can join over there as well. So, in this channel, what we will be doing is we will be focusing on the GATE Psychology 2024, as well as simultaneously we will be focusing on NET 2023 December session as well. Okay, so all the videos you will be getting over here in the same channel, so that you don't have to find and look for things here and there, so that you can maximize your preparation with us for your NET and GATE psychology examination. Okay, good. So many of you would have given the examination on 15th of June 2023, which was a new, we can say, a trend setter, because it has set up a trend which is quite new for everyone. The type of questions they have asked in this examination have not been asked since past 5 years. Okay, and they will be doing such things moving forward as well for your December 2023 examination. So in the next video we will be discussing the December 23, not December 23, June 23 paper, what all questions were asked and things like that, and we will be providing the PYQs of UGC net as well, so that you don't have to find through way for all these question papers. You can watch the video, you can note down the answers, you know the questions, and so it is. All right. Okay. See you all in the next video. Thank you, and keep subscribe the channel.